You got a smile on your face, and there's no better way to start your day. You're loving life, you're on the right track, and there's one thing that keeps you coming back. You can make it any way you please, you know that it's all good. Make mornings what they're meant to be, something that you love. Something that you love.